guys, welcome back to my channel, Val, and today I just want to tell you guys about this wig. Like, y'all, I'm in love. I'm in love with this wig. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's calm down. All right, so if you guys want to hear what I have to say about this wig, stay tuned, and I got you.
Some bubbles, girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things.
Okay, so you guys, let's cut straight to the chase. Go get this wig. Go get this wig. Like, let me tell you what it is first. Let me tell you what it is, okay? It's the Cloud 9 Sensational Cloud 9 Swiss Lace Wig What Lace Collection in ZELENA. The color I have is T1b 30 and it's the style ZELENA. It looks different on her than it does on me. It looks better on me, honestly, but y'all go get this wig. That's all I'm gonna say. Like, y'all don't need to know nothing else. Go get it. Go get it. Anyways, yeah, this is the What Lace Collection ZELENA T1b 30 wig, and it is doing the darn thing, y'all. I love this wig. I've only had it on for like, what, an hour now? I love it. I love it so much. Anyways, let's talk about the wig. Let's talk about the specs. Okay, so yes, like I said, it's the What Lace Collection Swiss Lace wig. And I don't know what Swiss lace is. I've never been to Switzerland, but I love this wig. I love it. It was really easy to put on. It was easy to put baby hairs on. It looks super natural, voluminous, shiny, colorful. Everything you could wear in a wig. And it's synthetic. Y'all telling me this is synthetic? This is synthetic right here. I don't care, bruh, like synthetic or not. This is so cute. I love it so much. I've only had this wig on for an hour, so I can't tell you guys way too much about it, but so far the wig is not doing a lot of shedding. I have like maybe 5 pieces of hair on this brush from the combing I've been doing. It's not been doing a lot of shedding, and I love that. It's not been getting stiff. I love that. In the nape area in the back, it's still very much flowy. It's not bunching up. It's not getting nappy or whatever. I love that so much. But yes, this is like a premium fiber, 100% premium fiber synthetic. So you know it's good for heat. You can straighten it, you can curl it some more up to a certain level. Don't burn the wig, please. But yeah, I love this wig so far. I got this wig on Amazon Prime a few days ago. So let me tell y'all a little backstory of what happened. So I wanted to order the Catalina wig from Outre, and at first it was on Amazon Prime, but then it was sold out on Prime. So I went on Ebony 9 and I bought the Catalina wig, and then I was like, oh my gosh, I have somewhere to go this weekend, so what if it doesn't come on time? So I was just like, let me go on Amazon Prime and see what wigs they have available. And the What Lace collection is pretty popular. I've heard nothing but good things from the What Lace collection. So when I saw that ZELENA was on Prime, I was like, okay, let me get that just in case. Let me get it in the color 1B30, because all the cool colors, hence colors that have like blondes in it and streaks in it, all of them were sold out, and I was kind of sad about that. But I'm just like, I'm not going back to 1B. I'm not going back to the color 1. I'm just gonna do 1B30 because that's my normal color for like most of my wigs. So why not just stick to that, you know? And I love this so much, you guys, because when it came, I tried it on and I was like, okay, this is kind of cute. And then Catalina came the next day, and I was like, okay, Catalina, you got some competition, so let's see who's cuter. I'm gonna return whoever is not cute. Catalina was cute, okay? She was giving me streaks, she was giving me color, shine, all that. But ZELENA was giving me frontal, she was giving me color, she was giving me curls, body. Come on. ZELENA was doing a lot, and Catalina was kind of flat and straight, but it was colorful. It was really pretty, but it just wasn't doing what ZELENA was doing. So I'm like, okay, Catalina, I have to return you. So I stuck to ZELENA, and I don't regret it, you guys. This is so cute. I love the volume that it has. I love the curls that it has, like, you know, and I love that I got this color because this color looks so nice on me, you guys. Go get this color, T1b30. It should not be sold out anywhere because it's a really basic color, but it's so nice. Like, y'all, I don't think y'all see me. I don't think y'all see me, like, but anyways, like I said, you guys, this is a frontal wig, so you can do any type of part that you want on it. Let me try a middle part. I'm not a middle part type of person, so that's why I don't really do middle parts. Side part is where it's at for me. And don't mind the baby hairs. I was just trying to do some quick. The baby hairs could be better, but oh well. It could be worse as well. Okay, so this is a middle part. Looks good, looks nice, real cute for me. So if you're a middle part type of person, this is for you. Now, when I do middle parts, I always tuck it behind my ears, and this looks so nice. Oh my gosh, y'all. I love this wig. Okay. Anyways, yo, this is a middle part. You could do another side part if you want. You could do it on any side that you want. Okay, this kind of, okay, I see you. Okay, period. You could do a half up, half down style. I would try that, but that requires a lot of combing and a rubber band. But this looks real cute, half up, half down. Just imagine you see it on me. I'm not gonna do it right now. But like I said, I always like a side part. But yeah, this is so cute, you guys. I am in love with this wig. I think it's one of my favorite wigs so far. Probably my favorite synthetic wig, yeah, so far. Because it's just like so nice. Like the color, the shine, the volume. Guys, it doesn't get better than this. And this is synthetic. This is synthetic. Y'all paid $300 for bundles when you could get this for 50 something. $51. Y'all paying $300 for something you could get for 50. Come on now. Like I said, this wig, I've only had it on for like an hour. I can't tell you guys too much about the shedding, the tangling. I just know so far there has been very minimal shedding, like 5 strands, but all hair sheds, synthetic or not, your real hair sheds. So why would you expect synthetic units to not shed, you know? And there's been not any tangles. It's pretty, I don't want to brush the curls out, but I'm going to brush it out eventually. But yeah, there's not been a lot of shedding, matting, tangling in the nape area. It's still very much curly, very much nice and full. It hasn't gotten any nappiness in there. So yeah, you guys, I'm loving this wig. And let me comb it out for you guys to see how it looks. Always comb your synthetic units from the bottom, because combing it from the top, you're not doing anything. It's just gonna bunch up at the ends and get stiff. I like about these curls so far is that they revert back. They curl back up. Like you see, it goes right back to how it was. But yeah, this is the back. And like I said, I really tried with the edges, but I didn't try a lot. So they could be better, but I don't care right now, okay? Edges to me are the hardest thing to do when putting on a lace wig, because the edges make the wig look wiggy or not. Like, it all depends on the edges to me, and the edges help the lace to look more natural. So if your edges don't look good, your lace doesn't look good either. So I really tried, but if you see something, you see something. It's a wig. I don't know what to tell you, okay? But anyways, you guys, yeah, that's all that I have for you guys today. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. And in the comments, let me know if you think this wig is cute. Let me know if you're gonna get it. Like, I hope you're gonna get it, because girl, this is too cute for you not to get. Get it before it sells out, because every time I like a wig, it's sold out. For what? What are y'all doing with these wigs? Like, every time I see a wig on TikTok, on YouTube that is so cute, it's sold out. So from now on, I'm just gonna find my own wigs and make them sell out myself. So I don't know what I mean by that, but you know, I'm gonna start finding my own wigs instead of looking on YouTube, because every time you look on YouTube for a wig, it's sold out. Like, maybe it's just me. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. Let me know down below if you're gonna get this wig, if you're gonna get it in another color, if it's cute. Let me know something, y'all, because I love this wig so much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see next from me. And I got you. Au revoir. Mwah.